Hi everybody, it's Nunu, and I'm here with you in discussion 8, the final essay, 150 points, 1,500 words. Let's survey this assignment together. We have the About This Assignment video that you are now watching. We have a motif for our class. Unsuccessful people are different from successful people. How so? Failure weighs them down. In this class, we try to use failure as a learning opportunity, and we did that during our discussion essays. This learning opportunity is also found in the grading system in this class. Let me scroll down to it. The grading system is workshopping the essay, and you may want to pause the screen to review the grading policy for this class and how it uses failure as a learning opportunity. Okay, let's scroll back up. Under the click here icon, what do we have? We have 4 links that you do need to click on and read. Important research paper information, the discussion essay rubric, which we've used throughout most of this course, as we've discussed the topic of causes and solutions to low student success rates in the U.S. public education system. For our last assignment, we used the English 101 essay rubric to grade 4 term papers, and you will be using this English 101 essay rubric to grade your own term paper in this assignment. And more about that in just a moment. You also have requirements you need to review for this paper and an academic star tip. And this is number 8. Learn this useful information here. Okay, so this assignment has 2 parts. Part 1, the term paper, and Part 2, your grade of A, B, C, D, or F for your own paper. You will be grading your own paper. But back to this in just a moment. Okay, so Part 1, the term paper. All of the directions are right here. And of course, you may use any writings you completed in this class in your term paper as long as they are integrated smoothly and logically into the paper. So read these directions very carefully. And let me scroll down. Below the first posting, a student has posted already. We have a Monday night Zoom of December 7th, 2020. We practiced creating a rhetorical focus for the term paper and an annotated outline. And we also came up with a plan for how to incorporate statistics in the narrative hook. Okay, so all of that information is right here. And to it, I added important tables of statistics that you can definitely use. Okay, and here is the annotated outline, and we also began to write the paper together. Please do not copy this verbatim, but you can definitely use it as a model. Okay, I'm scrolling back up to the directions. Okay, Part 2, you will grade your term paper according to this English 101 essay rubric. And you have the English 101 essay rubric number 1, which is a point system that you add up. And this video will show you how to do so and how to use the percentage calculator. So do read all of these directions very carefully here. Some of you like to be more mathematical and precise and add up points for each of the major criteria that you will be evaluated on for this essay. English 101 essay rubric 2, you are familiar with it. It is a more holistic approach, and it is right here. Descriptions of an A essay, a B essay, and so on. Now, I wanted to point out something very important about each rubric, and it is the first criterion in the point system. How does the essay read overall? You definitely should consider the style. An expanded version of this question would be right here. This is ideal for an essay. reads very well overall in terms of structure and content, possessing fresh, original thought and insights about the topic, in addition to a notably superior writing style. And there's a link here as to what a writing style is. And as a result, is an informative, interesting read. An essay can be a nice, neat essay with the thesis and the map in place and all the topic sentences, and be quite empty inside and dull if the writing style is not interesting and there are not original thought and insights occurring in it. So please remember this. This should definitely be part of the grade. We should want to read an essay. It shouldn't be dry and dull. It should be an interesting, lively read. Okay, I am going to click on the back arrow. That will take us back into the directions. And I'm going to remind you that I'm over here in inbox if you have any questions or concerns. And if you need to Zoom with me, definitely do so. I Zoomed with somebody today about this assignment, and it was fun for both of us. All right, let's have fun writing the term paper.